can't seriously sit over there with a straight face and tell me that water isn't wet. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, water isn't wet. I'm trying real hard not to get violent right now. You're not making this easy. Violent for what? You're mad that water isn't wet, bro? Get some help. Nigga, you mean to tell me when you get out of the shower, you're dry? You don't feel wet when you got out the shower? Like, be for real right now. No, I do get wet. But that's because water can make things... You know what? I wasn't about to say bless you because of the blasphemy that's coming out of your mouth right now. But you know what? I'm a stand-up guy. So bless you. Bless you, my nigga. Thank you. Besides, I know your mama raised you better than that. Ain't gonna bless me. You know what? I'm gonna let that slide because you're clearly wired differently up here. So I'm gonna let that slide. Thinking that water not wet. Like, come on now, bro. Who raised you for real? Talking about my mom. Yeah, all right. Oh, brother. Look, it's not wet, bro. As I was saying before, water can make you wet, but water itself... What I mean? Your own body is allergic to that bullshit that's coming out of your mouth right now. Detective dickhead. You got it, bro. You know what? I'm gonna let that slide because you're clearly not water. See? Now you see what I mean? Your own body's allergic to the bullshit that you talking about right now. Oh, shit.